Hi Andy, good morning. This is again Dr. C.H. Kiran Kumar dealing you the machine learning part. Now we are in the chapter number 6, rule model. And we already discussed what is called a rules list. Rules list, my dear friends. We are now going to discuss what is called rule set. We already discussed what is called rule list. We are now going to discuss what are called rules. Right. We are now going to discuss rule set. Rule set. The difference between rules list and rule set is rule list is an ordered one. Ordered 1, 2, 3. An ordered one. Whereas rule sets is an unordered one. You can execute, no preference. No, you should execute the first one, after that only. No such rules. Such is called learning unordered rule sets. Now, here what we do is rules are learned not by an order, my dear friends, but for one class at a time. That is, if you take positive and negative, we have two outputs. Positive and negative. We have two classes called as positive class and negative class. We define rules for positive class first. After that, we define rules for negative class. This is called unordered rule sets. Unordered rule sets. Now, this means we can further simplify our search heuristic rather than minimizing min of p hash comma 1 minus p, where we use this in rule list. Now we can maximize p hash, the probability of the class. And right, this is very important. Probability of the class. We are going with positive class. Positive class, and after that we are going with the negative class. So we are maximizing p hash, probability. So this is what rule sets are. Rule sets are. This search heuristic is conventionally referred to as precision. Precision అని పిలుస్తారు. Precision. We call this as precision. We now have a rule sets for positive class, and now we also have some other rules for negative class. This type of class nu batti, this is positive class, this is negative class. Class nu batti rules ni frame chestunnam. Such framing of rules is called unordered rule sets. Unordered rule sets. Right. If you see here, right, for example, if we consider our dolphin example into consideration, if length is equal to 3, we call it as, because length is, we have positive P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5. And similarly, we have negatives N1, N2, N3, N4, N5. But if you consider in these negatives, there is no length is equal to 3. We have only length is equal to 4 or 5 in these negative things. And we have here positive slow, there are around 2 or 3, you can see here, our length is equal to 3 positives. Let us see that. Yes, you can see here. P1, this is length is equal to 3. P3, length is equal to 3. And there are no negatives with P length is equal to 3. Hope you understood, my dear friends. There are only 2 positives. So we can have a rule like length is equal to 3. So this is length is equal to 3. Then we say class is positive. Class is positive. So we can eliminate. What are the two things to be eliminated here? P1, P3. Yeah? So we can eliminate P1, P3. So if we eliminate P1, P3, so P1 is eliminated and P3 is eliminated. We are left with P2, P4, P5. 3 more are there. 3 more are there. The 2 examples covered by this rule are removed. They are removed. And the new rule is we have to learn the new rule. What is the new rule? If gills is equal to no and length is equal to 5, then class is equal to positive. So how many will go? Let us see now. If gills is equal to no and length is equal to 5. Gills is equal to no and length is equal to 5. See, gills is equal to no and length is equal to 5. So these two, gills no, length equal to 5. These two also will go. See this. So we will be left with only P2. Only this P2. See, we can see here. But remember, my dear friends, it is not covering. Our rule is length is equal to 5 and gills is equal to no. See, our rule is length is equal to 5 and gills is equal to no. So in this case, no negatives are being covered with this. No negatives are being covered and only positives, only these 2 positives are being covered. So we can definitely say this is the second rule, second set of, so set and positive is one set and negative is the other set. Now, so this is the second set. By this, we can cover the 2 more. So, so we will be left with normal P2. We are left with P2, P4 and P5. And now P4, P5 are covered. So we are left with only P2 for this. So P2 okate kabatti you can write gills is equal to no, teeth is equal to many, then positive. So there are 3 sets. This is the first set. There are the positives. These 3 are called positive set. This is one set. Now we also have to consider, see, there is no need here, you see, there is no need to organize them in if then else list. No need. If then else list kadu. Only if conditions. Only if conditions. Now you can see here, see, they are ordered. This is positive. This is the positive, next positive. This is the next positive. And if gills is equal to yes, then class is negative. By this, we can cover almost all negatives. Gills is equal to yes. So there is no positives are being covered, but gills is equal to yes. These 4 are being covered. These 4 are being covered. And the fifth one, if you see here, length is equal to 4 and teeth is equal to few. Length equal to 4 and teeth equal to few. See, length is equal to 4, teeth many, that is positive. Length is equal to 4 and teeth is equal to few, that is negative. So in this case, right, the second rule can be used as length is equal to 4 and teeth is equal to few. This is negative. So we have 2 sets, my dear friends. This is set 1, positive set, and this is negative set. This type of rule learning is called rule list, rule set. Rule set. So we learned already rules list. And we are talking about rule set. Terminology, a bit confusing. My dear friends, please have a clear idea. Right. Now the algorithm. Let us go for an algorithm. The best literal is now chosen with regard to the class to be learned CA. CA is here positive. Whatever the class you are going to learn, You should find the best literal from that. Best literal. Right. Similarly, the head of the rule is always labeled with CI because we are concentrating only on CI. Only on CI. This is the second. Right. Here we assume seed example is a table consisting of set of all literals, literal 1, literal 2, literal 3, with the class name positive, 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 and initial value, some initial value. So let us assume a table consisting of a seed example. Whenever a label present, we get information from seed example. And the advantage is that this cuts back the search space. So heuristic search space ni baga reduce chestadi. And a possible disadvantage is that the choice of seed example may be suboptimal. See, seed example ela teeskovali, that is a big issue. Right. One issue with using precision as search heuristic is that it tends to focus a bit too much on finding pure rules. Finding pure rules, my dear friends. Pure rules. Thereby occasionally missing near pure rules. Near pure rules. What do you mean by pure? What do you mean by near pure? See, if you say this is plus, this is plus, this is plus, this is called pure. If this is say this is negative, this is negative, this is negative, this is called pure. Pure. This is pure, my dear friends. Near pure means near pure. Plus, 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 if there is a meaning. This is near pure. Near pure. This is pure. This is also pure. That's right. So one issue with using precision as a search heuristic is it tends to focus too much on finding pure rules, thereby occasionally missing near pure rules that can be specialized into a more general pure rule. So this phenomenon is called myopia. Myopia. Right. One more thing is we are always, see, the goal of our tree is, see, the goal. This is the goal. Goal is, this is pure, this should be pure, this should be pure. So everything must be pure. All leaves must be pure or homogeneous. Homogeneous and pure, or else. So we have to take the maximum, right? We will discuss that also, right? Right. A convenient way to deal with myopia is precision. Of precision is Laplace correction. Laplace correction. Laplace correction is the best method to avoid myopia. Another way to reduce myopia further and break such ties is to employ a beam search. Beam search. Rather than greedily going for the best candidate, greedily going for the best candidate, we maintain a fixed number of alternate candidates. So we'll see what is it. See, what is called beam search? Beam search means we always don't go for the best candidate always. Best kellam. We will have fixed number of alternate candidates. Fixed number of alternate candidates, right? Okay, we'll see that. Right, first, the beam would include the candidate body's length is equal to 3. and gills is equal to no. We then add all possible specializations of non-pure elements of the beam. Positive, we are talking about only positive, my dear friends. Length equal to 3 and gills is equal to no. So we all add all possible specialization of the non-pure elements of the beam, and elements of the original beam plus all added specialization. We keep only the best few. Best few మాత్రమే ఉంచుతాం, preferring the ones that were already on the beam in case of ties. Tie వస్తే as they are shorter. So we stop when all beam elements are pure and we select the best one. See, the first beam would include candidate bodies. Length is equal to 3 and gills is equal to no. We then add all possible specializations of non-pure elements of the beam. In the remaining sets, elements of the original beam plus all added specializations. So we keep only the best few, and preferring the ones that were already on the beam in case of ties as they are shorter. We stop when all beam elements are pure and we select the best one. Right, we see the algorithm here. Right, first, so we take labeled learn rule set, training data, and the output is rules are first infinite empty తీసుకున్నాం, and we say di is equal to d, one copy di లోకి copy చేసుకున్నాం because we are going to remove, no, that is why, right? While di contains examples of class CA, we want to go with the CA, positive class only, positive class, first positive and then negative, first positive and then negative. First positive తీసుకో, positive తీసుకున్నప్పుడు d ని తీసుకొని di లోకి పెట్టేసాం. While di contains examples of class CA, positive class. Learn rule is an algorithm, is again an algorithm. It gives you DIE, CI ni తీసుకొని, it gives us a rule list, ఒక rule ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. See, it takes learn rule for class is an algorithm which takes two things, DI, CI. Now it gives us rule. అది ఎలా అనేది చెప్పుకుందాం. It gives us rule in the form of R. So what we do, we just add the rule R to capital R, rules list, rule set. Now you have to eliminate this particular R from DI. ఈ DI లో నుంచి ఈ X ని తీసేయి, ఆ particular rule ని తీసేస్తాం. And this is continued until all positive rules are made. Until all positive rules are made. And then we go for this for loop, outer for loop. The outer for loop is repeated for, this is repeated for 2 times. Why? Because we have only 2 classes, positive and negative. So first time positive class tirigindi, we got some rule set, and positive rule set and negative rule set. So this is the algorithm. Hope you understood, my dear friends. Next, what is learn rule for class C? We will see this. Right here, if you see here, right, see what is the input here we are using, labeled training data DI. We are using DI and CA, only two. CA is a class and DI is the single training data, single or singular, the single training data DI. Right, let B is equal to true. We are going to prepare rule, my dear friends. Rule. L is equal to set of available literals, while not homogeneous of D. Homogeneous of D. If D is, under D cannot be furtherly divided. That is called homogeneous. Right? You take best literal of D, L, CA. D, L, CA. See, D is rule, L is literals, and CI is our class. So our mana class satisfy చేస్తూ ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని literals లో నుండి ఈ రూల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని literals నుండి ది బెస్ట్ literal ని ఇవ్వు అంటే that comes to L. That is L. Now we are just adding B and L. B is true, my dear friends. We are adding B to L, and we are deleting that X from D, and we are also deleting that literal from L. And this is continued, and we will get here. See, here we are adding. See, R is equal to if B, then class is equal to CI, and this is returned. Hope you understood. Very easy, and very, very easy, right? So this is what learn rule for class. Right? So this is learn rule set, and this is learn rule for class D. So this is the total algorithm. So very simple algorithm. Again, if you talk about algorithm, see, we are here now finding R and D. So we are finding first R, and we are just adding the R, and remove R from DI, as simple as this. And we are repeating these three steps until all test cases, until all test cases for one class. After finishing the first class, then we are repeating the same, repeat the above, or repeat the above for the second class. This is what it is. Hope you understood, right? So similarly, if you see here, and if you see here, this is here also the same scenario. Here also the same, approximately the same scenario. Here what we say is B is equal to initially true, and we are taking L is equal to best literal. From where? From D, set of L, CA. E class, no, this literal must be in for this class, and must be in this training data, and దీంట్లో ఉన్న literals లో the best literal ఇవ్వు. So it gives us L, and we are just adding. See, same problem, adding B is equal to B and L, and then we are removing from D as well as from literals. After that, we will be coming over here. This is over, this while loop is over, and then we come over here. Here we set the rule. What is the rule? If B consisting of a logical expression, If B, then class is equal to CAE. We know CAE. So we are getting here data as well as CAE. This is the algorithm, my dear friends. Hope you understood the algorithm, right? Next comes ranking. What do you mean by ranking? Rule set. Right. Rule set for ranking and probability estimation. Yeah. For a rule set consisting of R rules, there are up to 2 power R different ways in which rules can overlap. And hence 2 power R instance space segments will be there. 2 power R. Even though many of these segments will be empty, because rules are mutually exclusive here. Mutually exclusive means 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no order. There is no order. You need not follow any order here. No else part. No else part, my dear friends. No else part. Only, no, whichever rule you want to pick, you can pick. Any, that is called mutual exclusive. In general, we will have more instance space segments than rules. So as a consequence, we have to estimate the coverage of some of these segments. Only we have to estimate only some segments. We need not evaluate all segments. We just need to check some segments. If you want to turn such a ranker into a classifier, we have to find the best operating point on the coverage curve. But it is a bit difficult. When it is difficult, so if you have highest average coverage, making a random choice in a case of thing. So suppose if you have 2 plus and 2 minus, then you take random choice. If you have plus, 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 minus, minus, because 3 plus 2 minus, you go for 3 plus. You take this as plus. See, if calibration threshold is problematic, we can simply assign the class with highest average coverage. Highest average coverage. Highest average coverage. This is called rule set. This is rule set. Next, if you let us see the difference between rule list, rule set, and what is one more called as rule tree. Rule list, rule tree, rule set, and rule tree. There are 3 things here, my dear friends. Rule list, rule set, and rules tree. Right. Let us see the difference among all these 3. Always give convex training set. Convex, but there is no globally optimally ordering of ordering set of rules. The main reason is that rule lists don't give us access to the overlap of 2 rules. See, A intersection B, overlap of 2 rules. A is equal to A intersection B and A intersection not B. This is A actually. If the rule order is AB, then A intersection B and see if it is BA. So it is not giving access to overlapping of 2 rules. So more generally, a rule list R rules results in only R instances. Only if you say if R else something, right, it gives you only R instances. R instances. Whereas this means we cannot take the advantages of most 2 power R ways. In the rule set, we have 2 power R ways. In the rule set, if you see on the other hand, can potentially give access to such overlaps, but the need for the coverage counts of overlapping segments to be estimated means that we have to sacrifice convexity. So, but of course, we are leaving many segments. We have to calculate only some segment. Calculate for only some segments. If this number is decreased further, it goes rule list. So this is what a rule tree. What do you mean by a rule tree? Rule tree. A complete feature tree using the rules as features. See, our rules set as features. Features ga pedite, such tree is called as rule tree. The rule tree coverage curve dominates the rule list coverage curve. Definitely, rule tree coverage curve dominates the rule list coverage curve. This is true. There is no other information regarding the rule overlap than that contained in a rule tree. And any given rule list will usually convey only part of that information. Conversely, you may wonder whether any operating point on the rule tree curve is reachable by a particular rule list. So this is what it is. This is called rule tree. A complete feature tree using the rules as features. Such tree is called rule tree. Definitely, the rule tree coverage curve dominates the rules list coverage curve. In summary, of the three models considered, only rule trees can unlock the full potential of rule overlaps, as they have the capacity to represent all 2-power overlap areas of our rules and give access to exact coverage count for each area. Rule list also convey exact coverage counts, but for fewer segments. Any fewer R segments, only for R segments. And rule set distinguish the same segments as rule trees, but have to estimate coverage counts for overlap areas. Only for some we can calculate, but not for all. So these are the differences between rule tree, rule list, and rule set. On the other hand, rule trees are expensive as their size is potentially, so size is more. Another disadvantage is that the coverage counts have to be obtained in a separate step after the rules have been learned. So included rule trees here mainly for conceptual reasons to gain better understanding. That's it. So generally more common are rule list and rule set models. The more common are rule list and rule set. Rule tree is generally not at all. Rule list, we have only rule list and rule set. There are only two models, rule list and rule set. Hope you understand. This is for today. Thank you.